what's up, Dad?
Robert Steele in the house.
Robert Steele's in the house. Yeah. Thanks so much for the paparazzi. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a good time. Oh, wow, that's major.
Yo. One more time for first anniversary attendees. Make some noise if you're here to support it. Who feels like they do their part every day to support bass music in the United States of America? That's what this shit's really, really all about. And we gotta say thank you to each and every single one of you guys that are always rocking out the bass music out at events in Southern California.
Yo, we got Chris in the house. Biggest next.
You know how we do.
Special place we like to visit because we actually feel good being there. What we hear now has a lot to do with it.
Here, boy. Come here, boy.
Flash Anniversary 2012, baby!